welcome. Trying to stay away from bread. You can see that looks like pizza, isn't it? Yeah, looks like pizza, but what's under there? It's not bread. It's not dough. It is eggplant. Staying away from bread, I'm like, okay, I think I can use the eggplant instead of that. Eggplant with sauce, eggplant with tomato sauce, you can't go wrong. So, this is what I'm going to show you. How to make the pizza without using dough. For those who have been following me, watching me, I thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, you're gonna have a good time. You're gonna love this recipe. And after watching this video, I ask that you subscribe. Everyone, after watching this channel, put thumbs up if you like it. It's very important. It helps my channel a lot. Thank you so much again for your time, and let's get into this. There we go. I'll take a little bit of the seeds out, and then here I'm going to use a little bit of scallions. You know, just cut it very thin so you can put it on top of your pizza. I already cut them lengthwise, and then I do have a pizza sauce here to make it real pizza, and I'm also gonna use some bacon. This is uncured turkey bacon. Good stuff, less fat. I'll add a little bit of oil. So let's start here by breaking the egg. Milk, just 3/4 cup of milk, and then a little bit of olive oil, and then for spices I'm just going to add a little bit of salt. This is the salt that I use. A little bit of salt and onion salt. This is some onion salt and some basil, black pepper, and stir. Dip it there. Be good. And then before I can put the rest of the stuff on top. So that. Oven, and I had the oven at 400 degrees. I forgot to mention that. And I am going to turn it because it browned on one side, so I'm going to turn it, you can see, and I'm going to layer it on top. It's almost cooked, looking good, like we do the pizza. I'm gonna put the sauce. This is the pizza sauce, right? spray just a little bit before I put it in the oven. With some little bit of olive oil. You don't have to. But I want it nice and crispy. So put it in the oven. It's eggplant with some bacon.